All right, Tim, let's start with your full name. And actually, will you tilt the camera down a little bit, or the screen down a little bit? There you go. Okay, cool. Let's start with your relevant background and full name.
All right, my name is Timothy Kiju Nam, Nam, and my relevant background is I've been studying engineering here at Central Michigan University for the last 3 years, and I'm interested in what you guys are doing. Uh, I agree with the vision you've laid out, and I'm looking for an alternative to every other traditional job. So, however, I was just checking out the website right before and was watching or learning about what Scrum is and that stuff. And I have to say right off the bat, I'm not looking to be a Scrum Master or anything like that. So I don't know if that will save us both time or what. But yeah, that's kind of where I'm at.
I mean, you could come out and be an apprentice this summer. We're starting our training program, and there's going to be four main development tracks. We're doing sustainable agriculture, sustainable housing construction, metal fabrication, and product design. So we're bringing subject matter experts out to Factory Farm in Missouri this summer, and we're going to have apprentices work under each subject matter expert to kind of really focus on getting the skills training in place, and then we'll do cross training so all the apprentices will learn all of the skills and work together, and we'll be developing the technology simultaneously. So if you want to be involved as a volunteer and come out and just you'll have room and board and stay with the team and just kind of get involved hands on, that would be something that you could do too. Is that something you're potentially interested in?
For maybe like a 2-3 weeks kind of time span, definitely. But beyond that, I can't really commit to a whole summer or anything like that.
Okay.
I'm really, I mean, just watching that video, I was thinking, it'd be cool to participate in a scrum as like a team member, by telecommuting.
Yeah. Which machine did you want to work on?
Right off the bat, I think the gasifier.
And what role would you like to play?
Um, Maybe if using SketchUp is the direction we're going, just learning how to use SketchUp and maybe modeling some parts and maybe the whole machine. I don't know, something like that.
Okay. So you're into some CAD work, 3D modeling. I see. Okay, that's really helpful to know. So I think what we'll do at this time is I'm gonna post your video with the others and make a note that you're interested in working remotely primarily. And then when we get to the point where we start building up our team of remote collaborators, then we'll get back in touch with you and try and bring you into one of the projects as we develop it. And then in the meantime, if you want to stay involved, you can start a wiki account and you can look at the current progress of the gasifier and see if you can jump on board there. Or you can always email me or Marcin with questions. And then just keep the ball rolling that way, and then we'll be in touch when we're ready to get going with that. And then also, if you decide you want to do a dedicated project visit, come out for a couple weeks. That's all apparent on the wiki. Like if you search for dedicated project visit, you'll see the application form, and you just write out your intention, and you can come out and set up a meeting and just come out for like a couple weeks or a month or whatever. So that's also an option in the meantime.
Yeah, that sounds cool.
Okay, Do you have any other questions or things you want to say before I stop recording?
Just I'm not necessarily looking to get paid for anything, but although it would be nice, I want to contribute to this project in any way I can, and I wish it nothing but success.
Okay, thanks, man. We appreciate your interest. And we'll probably there's a good chance we could end up working together. So